Declares Delight for Life. Hi, I'm the Sensible Lady, the co-founder and CEO of Declares Delight for Life. I put the sensible and help you declare the clutter in your own life. Because you know what? We all deal with some clutter in our own life, and that includes me. If tonight it's about how do you drop the rock and keep your life organized in it? Yeah, you're probably wondering about the title about drop the rock. Well, what I mean by drop the rock is that sometime at some point in our lives, I call it we drop the rock. We have something happen and we wonder, what happened? There's some word I'd love to say, but I don't think I'll say it on Facebook Live. But the one thing that it is we can say is that we just drop the rock, or something comes along in our life and it just hits us on the head, and it's like dropping a rock. And we sit there and we're dazed. We don't know which direction to turn. We got this obstacle in our way, and what do we do about it? And there's love, compassion, a whole bunch of things, but one of the key factors I have found, and that includes my own life, and that includes today. I can tell you, today was an eye-opening experience, because even for myself, and I've had some. If some of you haven't guessed it, I've had some stomach issues surrounding from a hernia repair, and today, and I had that was a drop the rock, because I've had some food intolerances and a whole bunch of other things as a result of that. But today, that was like my drop the rock into my life, and it's kind of been a steady, change of dietary things, and having somebody who dealt with eating issues. It's quite of how can I say, drop the rock. You kind of speed along. But today, I come to some sort of resolution on it. In my drop the rock about it is that I saw a nurse practitioner who gave me some guidance and gave me some ways of it in a holistic manner, instead of, I call it pop a pill, as a way of handling it and as a way of moving forward. And that's, kind of like how we're going to move along tonight about this, is that when you have a drop the rock, sometimes you have to stop, look, and watch, as I've talked about before. When I talk about look, is that, when you're faced with that situation and you're not sure which way to turn, sometimes you got to look at the situation you're in and figure some way that you can maybe organize it and put some sense, I guess, some sensibility into it, and make some sense of it. And sometimes we can't. But the only thing I can say is that, when that drop the rock happens, is that we can say to ourselves is that we are hopefully having, you know, a way of dealing with it. And then I said, listen, when I talked about listen, is that we have to, okay, maybe there are some folks around us that can give us some guidance in what we're dealing with. Sometimes it could be relationships, job, or legal, or any number of things. And sometimes we have to listen to other folks. And what I talk about is you can listen to them, but take into consideration, what you want to think about it. And that, can help you, going a way of, figuring a way out of it. And then after we listen, we, look at some sort of action. What sort of action do you want to take? The reason I talk about action is that you sometimes that people get stuck, and that includes me, because you wonder why. Why is this happening to you? And you always want to, wonder, can it stop, or will things ever get better? And the only thing I can say is it's only the space that happens in between the two ears, and what you believe in, and what sort of peace you can put in your own heart. And that includes my heart to your heart. And when you can do that, then you can, do all sorts of, good things. And even, believe me, today was a challenging day. And coming to you is not always so easy. And I'll admit that. But I still come to you because I keep a promise to you each and every night. And I don't want to drop my rock with you guys because I think that's important. And I think to also take a look about, what are the next steps you take beyond, the action you take when you dropped a rock and you've been able to move beyond it, is that you can say, you can look back. As I say, you can always look back at the rock that was dropped on you and you can say, hey, there was a lot I learned from that. And that can be a great thing. And the whole thing about, organizing it is that, there are some questions maybe you want to ask yourself is, okay, what did I learn from this? Maybe what would be, if something like this happened again, what would maybe the best way I can handle this? And then, what other steps could I take, for this to happen? And then, think about all that. As far as, life is concerned, that's what I'm here about at Declares Delight for Life, is about life. And with that, I wish you a great Declares Delight for Life. Have peace and tranquility and hope and love and peace and tranquility. And I wish you the best. And you can reach me at ddflrocks at gmail.com. That's ddflrocks at gmail.com, or you can messenger me on Messenger. I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. And I definitely look forward to you all. And I wish you all the best tonight and blessings to you all. And my heart to yours. I wish you the best.